It was such a blast baking at Good Times Baking Studio. Was a pretty straightforward and fuss-free booking process. I reached out and the customer service team confirmed my booking. The entire experience was mostly self-driven, where we were guided by a digital recipe and the instructors came in only at critical junctures, like to demonstrate a particular technique or how to use the mixer, etc. I really enjoyed the independence of baking my own cake. The staffs are helpful and the instructions are quite easy to follow. Cake would be 100% successful, but I find it too sweet for me. Overall was a great experience and my son liked it. It was a great experience and instructions are easy to follow. My kid can do every step by himself with minimal supervision. Recommended. Very fun and easy to follow. Kids enjoyed it and likely to come again. Staff are friendly and helpful. Very good baking experience for my kids, highly recommended. Thank you so much for your service. The staff were helpful and took initiative to check in, prepared the steps and advise us on the way to go about doing the steps. The place was clean and organized. I enjoyed myself there and would go back again. Our second time, and as always it was organized and kids enjoyed much. Highly recommended. Will be good if there is more selection. Our batter did not turn out as expected. The staff was very kind to prepare the ingredients and let us reattempt so that the cake will turn out as expected. My kids had a lot of fun. Overall, the cake baking took about 3 hours to complete. The amenities were clean and well maintained, creating a pleasant and hygienic environment. Overall, it was a fun and enjoyable experience. Ingredients were thoughtfully prepared, and the self-guided instructions on the iPad were clear and easy to follow. The staff were friendly and approachable, always ready to assist with any questions during the session. It would be great to see a wider selection of choices to choose from in the future. The session lasted about 2 hours, and there's the option to store your cake in the fridge and collect it later if needed. Fun activities for me and my girlfriends to spend the afternoon together. All the necessary tools and ingredients are readily available, so just follow the recipes will do. Staff are friendly and ready to help whenever we need. Recommend. My mom and I booked this as a bonding experience. We made delicious cakes and had a good time. Teachers were nice and helpful. The studio had all of the ingredients and appliances. We even got a free keychain. We've been here several times and the experience has been great. This time round, there was a bit of issue on communication, which I've never experienced before in the previous occasions, but other than this, the whole baking experience went well. Outlet staff was friendly and helpful. We had a lot of fun making our own cakes from scratch. Good activity to spend 2 hours in JB. Need to factor another 1 hour for cake to bake, can do other things then go back to complete deco. Very easy to follow, just read the instructions from iPad. Staff 100% helpful. Good for family bonding. The young lady, named Yen, who assisted us was very attentive. Keep checking if we are doing good, as this is our first time doing baking. We'll definitely join again. Bought the package with her as well.